Hi, this is Heidi Smith with Foundation Homes. I'm here at 78 Ridge Avenue in San Rafael. So up above the house there's a 2-car carport that's right off the street. And then going down to the house there is stairs, or there's a steep driveway where you can fit 1 car in the garage down here. So here's the garage. And then we will go in through the front door of the home. This is the living room. There's stairs leading down to the lower level. So from here, the kitchen is to the left. There is a refrigerator and freezer in there, same as the white pantries. There is a gas range with an exhaust hood, and there is a deep sink with a double faucet, nice views out the window, dishwasher over here. So here's the view out from the kitchen. So you can actually see Mount Tam through the window there. We'll go take a peek outside on the balcony. So here is view from the top balcony, looking over at Mount Tam over there. We'll continue in. So to the right over here, there is 1 bedroom with a closet, some windows. Right here there is 1 full shower, stand-up shower, 1 full bath. All of the appliances in this home are brand new. So now we'll go downstairs to the lower level. To the left here we have a laundry room with the brand new washer and dryer. There's a sink. Here is a sort of family room with deck access. Then down here there are 3 other bedrooms. So first one here, guest bedroom with the closet and large windows. Across the hall is a full bathroom with a shower tub combination, single vanity. To the left, 1 more guest bedroom. So this is bedroom number 3. And then at the end of the hall is the master. So the master has deck access, and it has a really large updated bathroom with a stand-up shower with a rainfall water head, double vanity. And then there's an extra little vanity room over here. So from here, there is 1 closet. We'll go outside and take a look at the deck. So this is the middle deck. And there's some artificial grass here, a picnic table. And then from here, we can go all the way down into the backyard. So this is going down to the 3rd level. We have a very private, awesome backyard. So this has real grass and some nice landscaping. And we'll walk down here and we will see the whole house from the other side. So you can see both levels and the backyard with the nice palm trees. Okay, well, thank you for touring. That's the end of our tour. Thanks.